Hey everybody, Dave Forehand, Dallas Arboretum. I'm here in the Hager Rose Garden here at the Dallas Arboretum. Of course, everything's in full, beautiful bloom now. Check out these roses. Can you believe the size of these beautiful blooms? Aren't these gorgeous? Every year, they always surprise me that they're so gorgeous. Well, while we're looking at these roses, I'm gonna harvest some petals from some of the rose rooms that are just about done because we're gonna make rose water. I'm gonna show you how to do that. It's really cool. You can do it with rose petals. Now, it's a great project you can do at home, and while the roses are blooming right now in people's yards, this is the time to make this fun little rose water. Got it back here. What we're doing is I'm looking for the roses that are just about finished, and then I'm going to harvest the petals. Here's one here. And what you do is you just take the petals and fill it back. The darker colors are going to make the best rose water because you'll get the deep kind of reddish pink in the color. So let me finish harvesting. And come on and take a look. See all these beautiful flowers? And I'll have to describe it to you, but the scent is unbelievable. The sweet smell for these roses. A lot of these are very fragrant. In any case, we're going to take these and I'll show you how to make rose water here with the bag of rose petals. After washing the petals, cover them with water and simmer until they lose most of their color. Then you can strain the rose water through a colander or filter and then let it cool and pour into jars. Hey everybody, we strained out those rose petals and now we have the final product in these beautiful little jars. You can fill these up. They'll last about a month, the rose water in the fridge, or you can put it in Tupperware and freeze it if you want to keep it for longer. But you can use it for all sorts of things, sweetening, making different kind of specialty cocktails with this. It's super, super sweet and strong. You also can make a simple syrup. That's what I have here. It's 2 parts sugar, 1 part rose water, and this can be used as a sweetener to add to different drinks and things too. So making rose water is a lot of fun. I think it's a great project you might want to do at home if you have a lot of roses available to pick petals from. Again, see you real soon. I'm Dave Forehand.